Hello everyone, and welcome to our Java programming tutorial. In today's episode, we'll be exploring the record class in Java and how it can simplify your code. Specifically, we'll be looking at the benefits of using record classes for data modeling. So let's get started. The record class was introduced in Java 14 as a feature to help reduce boilerplate code for data-centric classes. It provides a concise way to declare classes whose main purpose is to hold data. So let's have a look at an example. Let's create a simple record class called person that represents a person's name and age. That's it. The record class automatically generates useful methods such as constructors, getters, equals, hashCode, and toString based on the fields declared in the class. This eliminates the need to write those methods manually. Now let's see how easy it is to create an instance of a record class. With just one line of code, we've created a person object and initialized its name and age fields. By default, record classes are immutable, meaning their fields cannot be modified once initialized. Additionally, the record class provides default implementations for several important methods. So let's have a look at them. So as you can see, the record class automatically generates the equals, hashCode, and toString methods based on the fields. This allows us to compare objects, generate the hashcodes, and obtain the string representations without adding additional code. You can see here that we created three classes or three instances of a person class. So we have James, other James, and Mia. And you can see here comparing James with Mia, this returns false because these two objects are not equal. But comparing James to other James returns true because those objects are equal. And of course, you can see that we print out the hashcode easily, and we also print out the toString call on the James object or the person object. Although the record class provides default behavior, you can still customize it to fit your needs. So let's see how we can add an additional method to our person class. Now we've added a celebrate birthday method that can be called on a person object. This demonstrates how you can extend the record class with your own methods. Now that we've seen how the record classes work, let's discuss their benefits. The first benefit is reduced boilerplate code. With record classes, you don't need to write constructors, getters, equals, hashcode, and toString methods manually. This saves time and makes your code more concise. The second benefit is improved code readability. Record classes clearly express their purpose as data models, making it easier for other developers to understand and work with your code. The third benefit is enhanced maintainability. When you need to make the changes to the fields or behavior of a data-centric class, record classes automatically update the generated methods, ensuring consistency throughout your code base. Okay, so this concludes our exploration of a Java record class. We've seen how it simplifies data modeling, reduces boilerplate code, and improves code reliability. Consider using record classes in your Java projects to make your code more elegant and maintainable. Thank you for watching and happy coding. I will see you in the next one.